Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing. We're going to put this song Waymaker into practice with the first chord, A major, coming out with the pattern, both right, right, right. Ready? 1, 2, A and go. Both right, right, and move to E. Both right and right and right. B major and C sharp minor. We're going to repeat the same sequence. A major again. Both right, 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 and E. Both right, right. B major. Both right, 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 and both right, right. Both right, right. E again. Go back to B. C sharp minor. A major, both right, 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 and E. And B. C sharp minor. We're gonna go chorus. A chord with the pattern. Both right, left, right, and right. E. Both right, left, right, and right. B. Both right, left, right, and right. C sharp minor. Both right, and chorus one more time. A. Both right, left, right, and right. E. Both right, left, right, and right. B. Both right, left, right, and left. C sharp minor. Go back verse 2. And both right, right, and E chord. B major, C sharp minor, and A chord, and E, and B major, C sharp minor, verse 3, and A, right and right and right. E. Go to B now. C sharp minor. Back to A again. Both right, right, right. E. Both right, right. Building up. B. Both right, right. C sharp minor. Get ready. Chorus. A chord. Both right, left, right, and right. E. Both right, left, right, and right. B. Both right, left, right. C sharp minor. Both right, left, right, and chorus. A and E. B major. C sharp minor. Chorus and A. And E. B major. C sharp minor. One more time. Chorus. A. E. B. C sharp minor. Tank. Bow. Right, left, right, and right. E. Bow. Right, left, right, and right. B. Bow. Right, left, right, and C sharp minor. Bow. Right, left, right. One more time. And A. And E. Going to B. Bow. Right, left, right. C sharp minor. We're gonna hold A. Chorus. Bow. Right, right, and E. Hold. Bow. Right, right. B major. And bow. Right, right. C sharp minor. Bow. Right. Same sequence. Chorus. Let's go. Bow. Right, left, right, and right. Bow. Right, left, right, and right. B. Bow. Right, left, right, and right. C sharp minor. Bow.
Let's sing this together,
Right,
even when I
and
don't
right.
see it. Come on,
Bridge.
even
Let's go. Bow. Right, 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 left. Bow. Right, 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 left. B. Bow. Right, 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 left. C sharp minor. Right, right, and a right. A. Bow. Right, right, and a right, left. Bow. Right, right, and a right, left. B. right, right, and a right, left, bow, right, right, again, and A. Go to E, B, C sharp minor, one more time, A, and a E, and a B, C sharp minor. Get ready, chorus, and we go. Bow, right, left, right, and right, E. Bow, right, left, right, and right, B. Bow, right, left, right, and right, C sharp minor. Bow, right, left, right, chorus, let's go. A, and a E, and a B, C sharp minor. Keep going, same sequence. A, E, B, C sharp minor. B, bow, right, left, right, and C sharp minor. Bow, right, left, right, and right. A, and B, C sharp minor. We're gonna hold the 4 chord and hold A, just hold. And a E, 2, 3, 4, and a B, hold. 2, 3, C sharp minor. Continue to hold one more set. A major, hold. And a E, and B, C sharp minor. Well done! Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.